quite nice. So nostalgic. You know, it's actually quite amazing with these new LEDs. You can watch a film in the day. I mean, when my parents...
I thought we were going out with Vanessa and them. That would have been a lot more exciting.
Well, it is my turn to choose date night. And besides, you know I don't like the pub.
That's because you don't socialize. You're permanently on your phone and it's embarrassing.
You know what's embarrassing? Is getting drunk and fraternizing with every other guy that crosses your path.
Well, I like to mingle, get to know people and make new friends.
Like Bradley.
I thought we were over that.
Maybe you were, but it's not that easy for me.
I said I'm sorry.
Just leave it.
How's it, guys? How you doing?
Hi.
I'm Chantal. I'll be serving here this afternoon. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please. I'm starving.
I think I'm just gonna have a Coke, please.
And since I'm not drinking, I'll have a strawberry milkshake and a margarita pizza. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have to be so damn extra?
We're in a pandemic. What else do you expect me to be?
Normal, for one. We're young. This thing only affects old people.
Oh, I'm not having that conversation with you again.
I'm done, Andrew. I can't live like this.
What's wrong with not wanting to risk my life?
Well, therein lies your problem. You never take any risks. Quite frankly, it's boring.
And you're always taking risks. And look at where that's gotten us.
Let's just drop it.
I'm so sick of this!